handprints in this one. Maybe. That could be something, maybe. It could be. I guess it could be, maybe. But back out. Could be. I guess when it's not a bad area. Like I said, I just haven't been over because the babies. This was their area for a long time. I never even come in here. I didn't want to come in here. I didn't want to hurt them or scare them or any of that. Hey, up here, look. See that? That's crossed, and you got your X coming up. That's a good spot to go. We might go over there. Let's take this path. Yeah. Who knows? Birds do. They know. Yeah, look at that path right there. See that? Look at that. And I'm not. You don't have to be off the beaten path, guys. I'm telling you. They live right here with us. Right here with us. Like I said, I left this area alone because I figured the babies were up here. And I'm 100% sure I was right about that. Check this out over here. But the birds are very agitated today. I don't know why, but they are very agitated. That's fine. Oh, we got an oyster. Right there's edible mushrooms. That's oyster. That's they were good. A couple there. Yeah. You can eat them. Yep. Now that one could be tree fall. See how it's just barely hanging in there? That's probably tree fall. This is the pass, man. Oh, it's broke. It's bent down and broke. Losing blue though. Now I did come in here at mushroom hunt a little bit, but not a lot. Not a lot. Go with me. I don't know why. Got a good hide spot right there underneath that tree. There's a lot of stuff here, guys, like just for itty bitty area like this. And you gotta like look all over because it's all over. The birds are talking about something. I don't know what they're talking about though. I don't know. Don't know what they're upset about. Throws a wheel. Oh yeah. directions. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah, buddy. Mm-hmm. Not the right attire. That'd be good. Not at all. It happens though. When you're told to go, you gotta go. And I don't even know what I was looking for. I don't think I'm done yet. These pieces right over there. That shit'll cut you up, boy. Tough shit right there. Man to walk through that shit. I don't know why they're so fired up. They sit up here. Let's see. Banana. Bites out of it and shit. I like them peanuts though. "20 minutes I've been following you around. You ain't showed me nothing. What do you want?" These guys. What do we got there? Anything? Probably not.